Hey Charles here, AllCoastLawncare and pressure washing. Hey, so I got the lawn care trailer. The mowers are asleep right now, and also the pressure washing trailer. All right, the pressure washer's asleep right now. I got them covered. It was raining out here. The weather's kind of like drizzling, and I just like to keep my equipment covered. All right, from the elements of the weather. All right, hey, you take care of your equipment will take care of your business. All right, just remember that. Just like my garden hose out there in the back, it's all black with mold and like algae. And so I'm gonna buy me a cover today for my water hose, all right, just for the garden hose in the back where the pole's at. Okay, but my pressure washer right there, I got that covered with the water hose and the pressure washer hose. Just want to take care of it, y'all. Hey, so I'm gonna go out and do some quotes. Hey, keep that Google business going, all right. Update it with pictures, all right. There's a section for questions and answers. Just put questions in there and answer them, all right, through Chat GPT. Download that app, put the question in there, and it'll answer it for you. Copy and paste that question inside the answer portion of your Google profile, okay? Pictures or reviews. Ask your customers for reviews. If you haven't got a review yet, just reach out to your old customers. Hey, I'm just wondering if you could please give me a review. I would really appreciate it, as it will help my Google page get more on top of the list when people search for lawn care. So, hey, just work on that Google page, okay? Never quit or give up, all right? Reach out to customers for reviews, add pictures to your Google profile. Hey, and God bless, stay motivated, and have a good day. Bye.